GCSE 9 to 1 maths exam style questions for grade 4, grade 5. So the crossover topics for both tiers, looking at some negative indices, expanding double brackets, and solving equations with unknown both sides in roughly, okay, 4 minutes. Okay, let's go. So this first one, work out 4 to the power of minus 2. So negative power makes it 1 over, so it reciprocates it. There's 1 over 4 squared, okay, which is 1 over 16. Okay, so my answer is 1/16. Okay, so remember, a negative power, it flips it. Okay, if it's a fraction, then it flips that fraction. Okay, so for example, if you have, let's say, 5/7 to the power of minus 2, then it flips that. Okay, flips the fraction, so it makes it 7/5, and then you square the top and you square the bottom separately, okay, to work out your answer, okay? So you get 49/25, okay? Because 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49, and then 5 times 5 is 25, okay? So again, revise this if you need to for your upcoming paper 1 exam. Okay, next one, expand and simplify this double bracket. So I'm going to use FOIL here. So W times W will be W squared. W times positive 7 makes it positive 7W. Okay, so again, be careful with your signs here. Negative 6 times W is minus 6W, okay, or negative 6W. And then minus 6 times plus 7 makes it minus 42. Okay, collecting my like terms, so collecting all my W terms together, I'm going to have W squared 7W minus 6W makes it 1W, so it'd be plus 1W, or just W, and then subtract 42. Okay, that's how we expand a pair of double brackets. Okay, again, revise this topic, okay, because I'm almost certain they will throw a question in there at the start of your higher tier paper for expanding double brackets, okay, or forming an expression that involves expanding double brackets. Okay, or forming an equation involving a quadratic, okay, as well. Next one, so 4y plus 1 equals 29 minus 2y. We're going to add 2y to both sides. So we're going to have 6y plus 21 is equal to 29. Subtract the 1 on both sides and then divide by 6. We get that y is equal to 28 sixths. Okay, which again, we can leave it as it is, or if we simplify it, we get 14 thirds. Okay. And again, there is no harm in leaving your answer, okay, as an improper fraction. But of course, if you want to write it as a mixed number, examiners will allow that too, okay? So you can write it as 3 2/3, okay? But I'm going to leave it as 14 thirds for the sake of ease for this video, okay? Okay, and that is looking at some typical exam style questions, okay, that's appropriate for Edexcel, AQA, OCR, Higher and Foundation, WJC, SEER, and IGCSE as well, okay? So I hope you find it useful, okay? Negative indices, expanding and simplifying double brackets, and then solving equations with unknowns both sides, okay? Remember, the key when you solve equations is you balance each side respectively. So whatever you do to one side, you do the exact same to the other side to keep it in balance, okay? Think of it as a balancing machine, or that little balancing thing, like in your like local park, okay? Is it a seesaw? I think it is, yeah, seesaw, okay? So to balance it, okay, you balance each side obviously respectively, okay? There we go, okay? Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.